So I want to show you how to do a classic heart chain. I'm using 7/8 inch width ribbon, and I've cut all these strips into 8 inches long. That's going to make a pretty big heart, so I don't go any bigger than that. You could do 6-inch ones. Just keep in mind the smaller the heart, the more you're going to have to make. So like I said, I'm going to do these 8-inch ones, and I'm going to double up the ribbon so you get one color on the inside of the heart and one color on the outside. And you can do any kind of pattern you want, or you could just do these solid one color, one ribbon, just depending on your budget and what you want, what look you're going for. So I've already got these laid out into the pattern that I want. I highly recommend that you do that. Just go ahead and lay them out before you start building the chain. That way you are going to do it the right way. You're going to get them the right pattern that you're looking for. So I want to start at the top and then work my way down. Most chains I start at the bottom, but this one I like to start at the top. So I've just doubled up the ribbon, and I put this white crackle on top and then the acetate on the bottom. So I'm just making a loop out of it. Let's start at the top. I'm going to leave some to attach to the mum. So I just want to make sure that it's even on there. And you can take some sort of a clip. I think I have a little alligator clip. And just put that on there so it stays in place. And I'm going to take my second one. Overlap them the same way. Oops. Make your loop. And then I'm going to put it on the other side of the ribbon, of my main ribbon, which is going to be the center of my chain. Take that off. And then I just want to make sure they're nice and even. So I just want to staple it right there. And then give it another one on that side. So you have a staple on both sides there, or both ends. And as you can see, we've made a heart. Now I'm going to keep building off that. And I could do whatever look I'm going for. I could do white on the outside, black on the outside. I'm going to go with black on the outside because I've got white on the outside on that one. So this one I'm going to make very colorful. Usually I just do 2 ribbons, one color on the inside, one color on the outside, but thought I'd have a little fun with this one. So when you put the next one down, you just want to make sure you're covering this up. And so that loop will go, and that natural curve right there is where you want to put your loop. So. And then I'll take my little clip here and hold it in place like that. Then I'm going to make my second loop. Again, I want to try to make sure that they're even. I've got a little bit of a space there. If I want them to be right up next to each other, then I need to move it up some more. It's just depending on the look you want to go for. So you can crowd it up there so there's no gaps. Like that. And that's usually what I do. I don't really like any gaps. I like it to be really all tight through there. So that's what I want to go with. And I'm just going to put my 2 staples in there. Like that. So if you just keep building it towards the end and then finish off, if you have some excess at the end, just cut it off. and then you can decorate the end, embellish it however you want. I'll try to do another little video and show you how I embellish them. Thank you.